I'm now talking to Nico Newman from Deutsche Aircraft. Thank you for spending time with me. So, two quick questions really. How do you see the regional market evolving? Because that's obviously a primary focus for you.
So what I would describe the regional market in kind of three segments. So one segment is the replacement market, that are established routes which are flown today, which are operated by aircrafts like Dash 100, 200, Saab 340, which are all aging aircrafts, average age of 30 years plus. They need a replacement. That is where we see one of our market segments to offer with the 328 Eco replacement, which can fit the economics of a regional operator for that segment. The second market, which is the kind of the growth markets. There I speak about Asia Pacific, India in detail. There I have with the Udan scheme big growth for the rest of India. So we don't speak about there the slots which big hubs like Chennai, like Delhi. They are all established with single aisle aircraft, but we speak about the kind of rest of India, how they connect that with the big hubs, and that is where our aircraft can be one of the products who serve that. And then the third pillar, which is a growing market, also driven by the geopolitical situation, is all the search and rescue multi-mission market. So we have quite a good track record on the multi-mission side. So most probably you're aware of our legacy fleet, 21 aircraft of our legacy fleet flying for the US Air Force. We have aircraft flying in a hospital setup. We have aircraft flying in Frontex doing sea control, so we have quite a good portfolio on that side. That is also a growing market. That are the three markets we are looking.
You didn't mention North America, which is by far the world's biggest regional market. Do you have a spot there that you visualize?
So yeah, also on the regional market like North America, which is more driven by regional jets, but also regional jets, there is no natural replacement in the up to 50-seater, so also there we see a great fit for our aircraft. First of all, we have very good speeds, we can fly very high, so especially for that routes which are longer in North America, we are a good option there, and we can fly the most of the routes 30 to 40% more fuel efficient compared to regional jet just by the propulsion efficiency of our engine.
Right. How do you see your airplane solving the problem of the replacement? Because clearly you've got scope clause, which in North America is a huge influence actually across the entire regional market. You don't have to worry about that, right?
I mean, at the end, we have to bring an aircraft to the market with the right economics. So that is what we are focusing on a lot, like maintenance costs, like reliability, operational flexibility. That are our main pillars. And at the end, you have to listen to the customer. The customer knows what he needs on the product, and our sales team and our engineering team is very closely connected to them to receive their feedback and integrate that in our efforts.
Do you think that, this is my last question, do you think that the reluctance to fly on a turboprop continues to be a thing, or do you think it's going away?
Personally, I think it's going away. Also, if you see new aircraft designs coming up on the drawing board at the moment, there are a lot of turboprop propulsion systems on. I think also the public awareness is okay with the propulsion system. Like a turboprop, we're getting more efficiency and it's still safe. I think there is that threat, that is old technology. I think we are overcoming that at the moment.
And you'll have obviously low cabin noise.
Correct. Yeah. That is where new technologies can do quite a lot. So the 328 had always the lowest cabin noise in its class, and we are working with our engineering even to improve that further.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.